King Cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, a majestic and formidable reptile found across the vast landscapes of South and Southeast Asia. Its impressive length, which can exceed 18 feet, makes it a true giant among venomous serpents. Unlike other snakes, the king cobra primarily preys on other snakes, a behavior known as ophiophagy. It possesses a highly potent neurotoxic venom, capable of delivering a significant quantity in a single bite, enough to incapacitate an adult elephant. When threatened, this snake can raise the upper third of its body off the ground, flare out its iconic hood, and emit a low, growling hiss that sounds remarkably like a dog's growl. This defensive posture is one of the most awe-inspiring and intimidating displays in the animal kingdom. The female king cobra is also a dedicated parent, building a nest of leaves and debris to incubate her eggs and guarding them fiercely until they hatch, a rare trait among snakes. Its intelligence is often noted as it demonstrates remarkable awareness and learning capabilities compared to many other reptile species. Despite its fearsome reputation, the king cobra generally prefers to avoid confrontation with humans, often trying to escape rather than attack, unless it feels cornered or its nest is threatened. Python. A diverse family of large, non-venomous constrictor snakes found across the continents of Africa, Asia, and Australia. Pythons are renowned for their immense size and powerful musculature, which they use to subdue their prey. Instead of venom, they employ a method called constriction, coiling their bodies around an animal and squeezing tightly with each exhalation until the prey's heart stops. To accommodate such large meals, pythons have incredibly flexible jaws that can stretch wide open, allowing them to swallow prey much larger than their own heads. Many species, like the reticulated python, hold records for being the world's longest snakes. Others, such as the ball python from Africa, are known for their docile temperament and curling into a tight ball when threatened, making them one of the most popular choices in the pet trade. Pythons are also equipped with heat-sensing pits located along their lips, which allow them to detect the thermal signature of warm-blooded prey, even in complete darkness. This adaptation makes them highly effective nocturnal hunters. From the arboreal green tree python to the massive African rock python, this family showcases an incredible range of adaptations to different environments, from dense rainforests and savannas to rocky outcrops. Anaconda, the heaviest and one of the most powerful snakes in the world, native to the lush tropical rainforests and wetlands of South America. While the reticulated python may be longer, the green anaconda holds the title for sheer mass and girth, with some individuals weighing over 500 pounds. These aquatic giants are perfectly adapted to life in the water, with their eyes and nostrils positioned on top of their heads, allowing them to remain submerged while scanning for prey on the surface. As apex predators in their habitat, anacondas are non-venomous constrictors that ambush a wide variety of animals, including fish, birds, caimans, capybaras, and even jaguars. Their immense strength allows them to overpower formidable prey with relative ease. Their slow metabolism means that after a large meal, they can go for weeks or even months without needing to eat again. The sheer size and remote, swampy habitats of anacondas make them difficult to study, contributing to a mystique that has fueled countless myths and legends about colossal man-eating serpents lurking in the Amazon's dark waters. While their size is truly staggering, documented attacks on humans are exceedingly rare, as they typically perceive humans as a threat rather than a potential meal. Rattlesnake, a uniquely American group of venomous snakes, easily recognized by the iconic and intimidating rattle at the end of their tail. This distinctive feature is composed of interlocking segments of keratin, the same protein found in human fingernails. When vibrated, these segments click against each other to produce the characteristic buzzing sound, which serves as a clear warning to potential predators and intruders. Rattlesnakes are pit vipers, equipped with heat-sensing organs that help them accurately locate and strike warm-blooded prey like mice, rats, and rabbits, even in total darkness. Their venom is primarily hemotoxic, causing severe pain, swelling, and tissue destruction, though some species, like the Mojave rattlesnake, possess a potent neurotoxic element that affects the nervous system. Found in a wide range of habitats, from deserts and grasslands to forests and swamps, there are over 30 different species of rattlesnakes, all native to the Americas, from southern Canada to northern Argentina. They are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young, and the mothers often remain with their newborns for a short period to provide protection. Despite their dangerous reputation, rattlesnakes play a crucial role in their ecosystems by controlling rodent populations. They are generally not aggressive and will only strike as a last resort when they feel threatened and their rattling warning has been ignored. Coral snake, a group of brightly colored and highly venomous snakes found throughout the Americas. Their vibrant patterns of red, yellow, and black bands serve as a form of aposematism, or warning coloration, signaling their dangerous nature to potential predators, such as the milk snake and scarlet kingsnake, though this rule is not always reliable, especially for species outside the United States. Unlike vipers with their long, hinged fangs, coral snakes belong to the elapid family and possess small, fixed fangs at the front of their mouth. To deliver their venom effectively, they often have to bite and hold on, chewing, to inject the toxin. Their venom is primarily neurotoxic, attacking the nervous system and leading to respiratory failure and paralysis if left untreated. Despite the potency of their venom, bites from coral snakes are relatively rare. They are shy, secretive, and fossorial, spending much of their time underground or hidden beneath leaf litter. They typically only bite humans when handled or stepped on, and their small mouths and fangs make it difficult for them to envenomate through clothing or on larger body parts. Their diet mainly consists of other small, slender snakes and lizards. Green tree python, a brilliantly colored arboreal snake found in the rainforests of New Guinea, its surrounding islands, and the Cape York Peninsula in northern Australia. Famous for its striking emerald green coloration as an adult, this species is a master of camouflage among the lush foliage of its habitat. Interestingly, juveniles are not green. They are typically bright yellow or sometimes reddish-orange, a coloration that likely helps them blend into different parts of the forest canopy before they mature. The green tree python is a classic example of convergent evolution, as it looks and behaves almost identically to the emerald tree boa from South America, despite being completely unrelated and living on opposite sides of the world. As a non-venomous constrictor, it preys on small mammals, reptiles, and birds. It is a nocturnal ambush predator, using its prehensile tail to anchor itself to a branch while it hangs in a distinctive S shape, ready to strike at any unsuspecting prey that passes below. Like other pythons, it has thermoreceptive pits along its snout, which allow it to detect the body heat of its prey in the dark. A unique and characteristic resting posture involves coiling its body over a branch in a series of neat, saddle-like loops, with its head resting in the middle, a sight that captivates reptile lovers and biologists alike. Corn snake, a harmless and docile non-venomous snake native to the southeastern and central United States. Its name is believed to have originated from its frequent presence in cornfields and barns, where it plays a beneficial role by preying on the mice and rats that raid grain stores. The corn in its name may also refer to the distinctive maze-like pattern of black and white checkered markings on its belly. With their slender bodies, vibrant orange and red blotches, and calm disposition, corn snakes are one of the most popular and commonly kept pet snakes in the world. They are relatively easy to care for, adapt well to captivity, and are very reluctant to bite, making them an excellent choice for beginner reptile keepers. In the wild, they are primarily terrestrial, but are also skilled climbers, often found in overgrown fields, forests, and abandoned buildings. As constrictors, they subdue their small prey, which includes rodents, lizards, and frogs, by squeezing them. Decades of captive breeding have resulted in a staggering variety of color and pattern mutations, known as morphs, with names like amelanistic, anerythristic, and snow, which showcase a rainbow of colors far beyond their natural wild appearance. This versatility and their gentle nature have solidified the cornsnake's status as a beloved ambassador for the reptile world, helping to educate the public and dispel common fears about snakes.